नमस्कार दोस्तों, इसाड़ा उपमंडल के जाने माने जय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का करते हैं दौरा। विद्यार्थियों को दी जा रही शिक्षा के बारे में जानने का करेंगे प्रयास। इस स्कूल की क्या व्यवस्थाएं हैं, किस प्रकार विद्यार्थियों को शिक्षा दी जा रही है, इस स्कूल के शिक्षकों और स्कूल प्रिंसिपल के साथ स्कूल चेयरमैन से भी करेंगे बात। क्या क्या व्यवस्थाएं विद्यार्थियों के लिए इनके द्वारा दी जा रही हैं, उसको लेकर आज जय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में पहुंचे हैं और जानने का प्रयास करेंगे शिक्षकों से किस प्रकार की व्यवस्था विद्यार्थियों के लिए उन्होंने दी है।
Our well-equipped laboratories provide hands-on excellence and practical learning. We strongly believe in learning by doing. Our well-equipped laboratories provide hand-on experience and practical knowledge. Moving to Maths Lab, making mathematical concept easy and enjoyable through activity and models. This is the Physics Lab, understanding scientific principles through real experiment and applications. Moving to Chemistry Lab, performing safe and guiding experiments to understand reactions, acid, base, salt, solution, and so many things. This is the Biolab, which explore life sciences through observation, experiments, and models. Moving to our computer lab, modern system to enhance digital literacy and technical skills. This is AI and robotic lab, preparing student for the future with coding, robotics, and innovative based learning. Library, a rich collection of academics and storybooks to develop reading habits and research skill in the students. A spacious platform for seminars, competitions, annual functions, and talent showcases. In our school, students don't just learn theories, they understand concepts through real experiences. Personality Development Program. Our Personality Development Program focus on grooming students into confident individuals. We help to remove stage fear and enhance public speaking skills, expression and presentation skills, storytelling abilities, prayer and pledge presentations. We encourage every child to step forward confidently and shine on the stage. Now, sports and physical activities, we believe students build discipline, teamwork and leadership qualities. Our sports facilities include kabaddi on mat, karate, self-defense training, cricket, volleyball, badminton, athletic race and so many other sports. For our junior wing, we also provide safe and enjoyable swing area for recreation and physical development of the child. And creative activities, J International School, we give equal importance to cultural growth, where dance, classical and modern dance, music and singing, well-equipped music room for vocal and instrumental practice, cultural program and annual function, competition and festival celebrations. These activities helps students to develop creativity, confidence, teamwork and stage presence. Moving to the very important area, that is cleanliness and hygienic of the school. We maintain high standard of cleanliness across the campus. Regular cleaned classrooms, corridors and washrooms. Hygienic environment maintained daily. A clean campus ensure a healthy learning atmosphere in the school. Talking about our staff, which is experienced and dedicated faculty. Our school is proud to have well-educated, trained, qualified and experienced teachers who are committed to nourishing your mind with dedications, care, and professionalism. So, J International School, we do not just educate students, we inspire them, nurture their talents, strengthen their values, and prepare them to face world with the confidence. J International School, shaping bright future and with excellence and values. Please visit once. Thank you.
Great morning, everyone. From Great Saint Moon, I am a proud student of the International School, a school where learning is enjoyable, challenging, and exciting, in which all learners can achieve their full potential. The International School has pollution-free environment, where teaching and learning are designed for individuals.
It's the chemistry lab of our school, and here we do the experiments every week which are related to our science books. Every week we do the new experiments, and our teachers are very good. They are very polite and well educated. It's J International School.
In this school there is physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab and 2 smart class, libraries, and their teachers are very well educated. When we ask any questions, so they give answer, reply, and we are this school is very better. I come in previous year, so I like this school very. All staff is very good and all teachers behave is also good, and students are friendly and teachers also friendly and polite.
क्या नाम आपका?
Sanchika,
कौन सी कक्षा में हो आप?
7th.
तो कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हो आप?
I did in grade 7th.
रेगुलर यहीं से पढ़ रहे हो, इसी स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो आप?
Yeah, I'm studying from first year.
अच्छा, तो जैसे कि आपने बताया जो, तो दूसरे छात्र हैं उनको के बारे में कैसे जागरूक करोगे जो आज के हैं, लोगों को पता लगे कि अभी इसी स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना है?
It is the best school in our area. It is the only school in Haryana with AI robotics lab, which is integrated in the last year. And there are many facilities in our school like chemistry lab, bio lab, composite lab, AI robotics lab, Montessori lab, etc.
Warm greetings to everyone. I am Nidhi Sharma, principal of J International School. J International School is not just a building of classrooms and corridors. It's a home of dreams, where young minds learn to dream, learn to believe. Young leaders begin their journey toward a brighter future. Every child who walks through our gates has a dream in his mind, and it's our sacred responsibility to nurture that dream, to guide it with knowledge, to empower it with confidence. In the era of competition, we are providing the platform to our students to get success in their life. In J International School, we do not just prepare the students for their exam, we are preparing them for their life. Dear parents, all of you are requested to visit once in J International School for the bright future of your ward. Thank you.
आपने अपने स्कूल के बारे में एक्सपीरियंस दिया, तो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था, मान लो ग्रामीण इलाके में ये स्कूल है, तो जैसे बहुत से पेरेंट्स अनपढ़ भी हैं, कम पढ़े लिखे भी हैं, तो वो कैसे ट्रस्ट करें?
Sir, trust is built through actions, not just words. And we are providing the best education in this area, quality education. Just look at our results, students' achievements, and positive parents' feedback. We are treating each and every student as our own, ensuring their development, growth, and bright future. Parents can trust us as we are providing quality education, strong moral values, and a secure campus in this area. Our team is working very sincerely for the growth of every student or every child.
तो मैम मान लो क्या विजिट भी कर सकते हैं क्या
Yeah,
टीचर?
definitely, sir. We are always saying that please visit once before admit your school.
सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
सर आप ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में हैं और आपका स्कूल भी ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में है, लंबे समय से संघर्ष करते आ रहे हैं, तो जो फैसिलिटी हैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा बता दें आप, जो दे पा रहे हैं अभी।
एक्चुअली मेरा गांव भी चौंदन कला है, तो ग्रामीण परिवेश से है और मुझे पता है कि ग्रामीण एरिया में बच्चे ने एक नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जाने के लिए कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा संघर्ष करना पड़ता है। फैसिलिटी ना होना और सुविधाओं के अभाव के कारण वो एजुकेशन नहीं मिल पाती जो सभी बच्चों को बाहर अर्बन में बच्चों को मिल पाती है। तो हमारा प्रयास है कि उनको वही सुविधाएं हम यहाँ देकर और जीवन में जो भी उनके कंपटीशन हो उसमें वो अच्छी तरह से सफल हो पाए।
बहुत कम फीस सुनने में आया ले रहे हो, तो क्या मोटिव है इसका?
क्योंकि मिडिल मैन ज़्यादा है यहाँ, बेस्ड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर, तो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फीस होगी तो उनको वो लाभ नहीं मिल पाएगा जो हमारा उद्देश्य है। तो दैट्स वाई हमने वही रीजनेबल फीस रखी है जिससे स्कूल का और स्टाफ का वो चीज़ें कंप्लीट हो चुकी और पूरी तरह से स्मूथली सारी सिस्टम चलता रहे।
तो आसपास के जो क्षेत्र के लोगों को क्या संदेश उनको देंगे?
मैं यही संदेश दूंगा और यही कहूँगा कि बच्चों की शिक्षा के प्रति वो ध्यान करें, क्योंकि हमारा जीवन सिर्फ और सिर्फ शिक्षा से ही परिवर्तन हो सकता है। और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि एक रोटी कम खाओ बट बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा दो और ताकि वो जीवन में कुछ अच्छा कर पाए।
ठीक है।